Who wants the ball? Get in the tunnel. Parker's like, did you get it, Parker? Oh, we got to get in there further. Ooh. I know. Good job, Emma. Waiting at the other end as usual. Here's one behind you. Roscoe used to want the ball. Wiley? Wiley? Buddy? Oh, oh, buddy, you're so cute. Oh, you just gonna lay down in there? Wiley? Sweetheart? And a new baby is born. You going in there, Dazers?